Wow, I cannot believe the weather that we have outside right now. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to take advantage of it. You know, a lot of people ask me what is the coolest RC I own, and I have to say, for those that have not seen it before, this is it. This is a full-size CAT 242D robotic skid steer. All done by radio control. I've got lots of videos on my channel about it, so we won't go into the details of the controller and whatnot, but this goes on to my back as a shoulder harness, and I don't have to ride on the inside. Now, why is that important? Well, for someone like me that has a back injury, riding on the inside of this skid steer can actually cause a lot of damage pretty quick. So I'm lucky to be able to have the Torque Robotic remote task setup in it. Hey Poncho, this is my driver. He sits in there and takes all the abuse on the inside because it is a tire loader. Why would I do a tire loader instead of a tracked loader? Simply because, number one, the tracked loader was about $13,000 more. Plus, out here for me, bouncing around from surface to surface, I don't mind having this. Plus, I'm not on the inside. So I'm gonna fire it up. I got a whole pile of dirt over here, kind of all dried up now. I'd like to make this into like a jump or something like that and see if I can shape it into something cool.
Is here. Protect your territory with 24/7 real-time monitoring and the latest smart technology.
So I can operate the machine up to 1,000 feet away, which is a little bit dangerous, but it does do it. Just gonna pile everything into one pile and then make sides on the jump. Operators often look at this and say it's all in the seat of your, you know, you feel it all in the seat of your pants, and they feel uncomfortable operating via remote. And I can see why that's it, but once you get some practice, it's super easy. Just like operating a small RC. It's just 8,000 pounds. Looks like I found one of Morris's toys in the grass. It could almost be mistaken if it was put right here for the full-size machine. If I put that here, like that, let me see here. If I go here, move this out of the way, and then over here, is that good? Right on. Okay, so here I go. Kind of just made a volcano shape. I got to move some of these rocks out of the way. But this way I can hit it on any side and basically go up and have a good landing spot on the other side. So that was helpful and easy. Doing that with a shovel for me would have taken I never would have done that. Anyway, let's try it out.